Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to get started with Adobe Firefly, a step-by-step tutorial. We are going to dive into the world of Firefly and its remarkable capabilities, which include text-to-image generation, text effects, and more. With these tools, you can effortlessly convey your ideas using natural language or prompts, and witness them transform into captivating visuals. But before we delve into the details, let me give you a brief introduction to our channel. If you are interested in staying updated on the latest AI tools and mastering their efficient use, you have come to the right place. Our channel provides user-friendly tutorials and aims to keep you well informed. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Your support greatly aids us in creating more valuable content. Now, let us get started. To get started with Adobe Firefly, the initial step is to create an account, which is a straightforward process. Begin by visiting their website, and you will find an option that says Get Firefly Free. While their platform offers a variety of features, let us begin with text-to-image. Click on Generate and then select Sign In. If you happen to have seen the Sign In button earlier, you can directly click on it. Now, you have the choice to sign up using your email address, Google account, Facebook account, or Apple account. In my case, I'll opt for the convenience of using my Google account, but the choice of which option to use for signing up is entirely yours. To complete your account setup, you will need to provide the necessary information. You also have the option to decide whether they can contact you via email or not. Personally, I won't be checking this option since I have numerous email accounts. After filling in the required details, simply click on Create Account and then proceed by clicking Agree. Just like that, you are now ready to create AI-generated images. The text box is where you will input your prompt. Let us try this example: Moses parting the Red Sea. After entering your prompt, click on Generate. You will also have the flexibility to adjust the aspect ratio and choose between a photo or art type for the content. Additionally, you can match image style by selecting a reference image from their gallery or from your computer. They also provide photo settings that allow you to fine-tune your results for photos by manually adjusting settings such as aperture, shutter speed, and field of view. Alternatively, you can opt for the auto mode to handle these adjustments for you. We have successfully generated some images here, and the platform provides us with 4 options to choose from. The quality of the graphics is impressive. While it may not be precisely what I had in mind, the results are already quite good. If you find yourself unsatisfied, you can always experiment with new prompts to create the specific image you have in mind. Now, let us explore a reference image. I will upload an image here. To be honest, this picture was originally created with Midjourney. Let us see what Adobe Firefly can generate based on this reference. But before we proceed, let us adjust the settings, including the content type, visual intensity, color and tone, lighting, composition, and various other aspects within the photo settings. There are advanced settings where you can specify words you want Firefly to avoid, which is similar to what other image generators called a negative prompt. Here, it is referred to as exclude from image. In this case, I do not have any specific words to exclude, so I will just click on Generate. Fantastic! The image is actually quite impressive and closely resembles the reference image I provided. By the way, it is worth noting that, as of late October, there are no generative credit limits in place. However, starting November 1, 2023, credit limits will be enforced. So, while there are no limits in place yet, it is a good time to make the most of it. Now, let us return to our text-to-image dashboard. What makes this platform even more impressive is the ability to edit your images directly here. If you come across an image that you like and want to add text or make adjustments, simply click on the Edit option. Additionally, you will notice a range of other features available, such as background removal and generative fill. You can access them by simply clicking on the respective options. However, for our purpose, we will focus on adding text, so let us click on Add Text and More. Within this space, you have the option to start with a template or add various elements like media, text, shapes, and backgrounds. It is worth noting that even without clicking on the Remove Background and other options, they are readily available here in the editing space for your image. Since we are working with text, click on the Text option. You will find a selection of text templates to choose from. However, if you don't find a template that suits your needs, you can always add your text directly. In this case, I will try a text template, so I will click on one. Then, you can customize and design the text to your liking on the left side. This level of convenience is particularly useful for creating banners, thumbnails, or any images where you need to add text. There is no need to use another platform for editing. You can do it right here. Another notable feature is the availability of add-ons, which allow you to incorporate quick elements like QR codes or apply effects like night vision. These add-ons are conveniently integrated into your image editing process. So, I will add some effects. Let us try these ones. Once you are satisfied with your image, you can simply click on Download. From there, you can select your preferred file format for the image. As a general suggestion for images, I highly recommend using the PNG format. Finally, click on Download to save the image to your computer. Now, let us return to the main dashboard. How about we try another prompt, such as Cyberpunk Portrait of a Dog. What adds to the greatness of this platform is that when you are typing your prompts, in case you are unsure about what to include, they also provide suggestions. You can simply click on these suggestions to incorporate them into your prompt. However, if you prefer not to use them, you can continue typing your prompt as you like. For this one, I will also adjust the aspect ratio and style, and I won't be using a reference image this time. We will still tweak the photo settings and then click on Generate. And there you have it. I am quite impressed with how the images are presented here. The quality of the images is something I genuinely appreciate. Another noteworthy feature that makes Firefly stand out is its inclusion of content credentials. These credentials serve to inform you that the content was AI generated. You can access more information about your image within the Content Credentials section. In conclusion, Adobe Firefly is a great tool that empowers you to transform your creative concepts into breathtaking visuals and captivating typography. Whether you seek to create images, patterns, or text effects, Firefly opens up a world of possibilities for your creative endeavors. I hope this tutorial has been beneficial in guiding you through the usage of Adobe Firefly. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with Firefly, please feel free to leave a comment. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.